Okay, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn your WhatsApp into a mini website or an online store for free. Yes. So the kind of WhatsApp you are going to be using is the WhatsApp business. Okay. So not the normal WhatsApp, but the WhatsApp business. So when you download and install the WhatsApp business, you want to go to tools. Okay. So when you click on tools, normally you will be required to fill in your profile if you are signing up for the first time. But just in case you have not done that, just go to profile and then you want to input your banner. Okay, input your banner and your display picture. Okay, so after you do that, you can do that using the camera icon here. So after you do that, you can see you want to input your business name, your category, you add an address and all of these things. So quickly, I'm just going to do that so that you can see. So if you have certain business hours, you can just schedule your business hours. However, you can select always open or by appointment. So I'm just going to turn off Sunday and I'll click on save. So you can see this is how the WhatsApp profile look like. So you can see the name, your website, your address, your email, and your description. Imagine someone coming to your profile and then they are saying, I'll help you maximize digitally. So they are interested already. So we have the product and you want to click on manage. Now this product is where you can add your product, your courses, your whatever you are selling digitally or even physically. You can manage it under this product section. Okay, it is called a catalog. So I'll just click on manage and then if you are just coming here, you might need to customize, you might need to set up some things. However, I've already done that. So you can see the product I added earlier on. Okay, so if you have different products, all right, it's good to use this collection so that you can group similar products in one place. Okay, so let me just click on add new item so that you can see. So just upload the image from your gallery. It could be, yes, you can even add photos. Wow. So I'll just, and then boom. So you can add more pictures if you want. If you have different variations of that same product, you can add it. Okay, so let me scroll down. So just give the item its name. So the sale price now is your actual price. That's if you are using this strategy. Okay, so we have the description and then I have something. So in case you want to add more fields, okay, yes, we have the link option and then I have a payment page I've created on Paystack already. I have a video where I showed you how you can create your payment page and product page on Paystack. Okay, so you can just watch that video and there are other sites you can use. We have Flutterwave, we have Strive and a lot of them. So it depends on which one you want to use. We have Seller also. So Okay, so this is the payment page on Paystack. I'll just copy this anyways, and I'll go back to, yes. So if it's a physical product and you have the item code, you can just include it here, okay? So if you want to hide your product from your catalog, you don't want it to display on the catalog yet, you can just click here. So, however, I'm done with this. I'll click on save. Okay, so you can see the item has been saved, and then this clock icon here is showing you that it is loading. So it's going to take some time for WhatsApp to approve it. So once they approve it, this icon here would be removed, okay? So you can add as much products as possible, like I mentioned earlier, and then you can group your products into collections. So that is it, and then you can of course share your catalog link. Okay, once you share this link, anyone with WhatsApp can access your store. Okay, and then if you want to share the link for a particular product, all you just need to do is click on the product, and then you want to come over to this link icon here, click on it, and then you can copy the link for that particular product. Okay, so let's go back. We have what we call labels. Okay, so you can label your customers, okay, depending on the activity they engage in. So let's say, for example, I get someone that bought my my class, for example. I can label that customer as a paid student. So when you click on label, you can click on this plus icon and give your new label a name. Okay, so once you save your label, you can add more than one labels. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to go over to your chat, and then let's say I have this person now, she's a customer. I'll just click hold on the chat, and then you can see this icon here. It says label chat. If you don't see it here, you can click on these three dots, you'll see it. So label your chat. Now select the label, click on save. You can see the label here, and once you click on it, you see this person. Okay, so that is cool. So it's a good way to organize your chat. Now going back to tools again, we have some quick replies, autoresponder. So we have the greeting message. This message will greet your customers automatically, so it's going to be turned off. If you want it to be active, you can just turn it on. You can customize the greeting message, and you can set it to everyone not in your address book. That's anyone that is not in your contact list, you send to them. So you can just customize it like that. So we have the away message, and then for the away message, you can turn it on. So what this away message does is that it gives a reply to someone that messaged you when you are not on WhatsApp. So it responds to them on your behalf, depending on how you customize it here. Okay. However, your data needs to be on for it to send this away message. Okay. So if you want it, you turn it on and click on save. So we have the quick replies. So let's say you have frequent words you usually reply to. For example, okay, clicking on this plus icon here. So you just create a shortcut. I can say I want my shortcut to be ISM. And then your reply message. Let's say you want it to send your account number, you want to save your account number as a quick reply. So just type in the account number. So let's say I want to have this message so that I don't have to be typing my account number every time. So I'll just type it in here, click on done, and then you can see. Okay, so you can even select a media, that's a picture, as your quick reply. So in case you have something like that, you can just use this camera icon here to do that. So I'll just click on save, and then let's test our quick reply. So all you want to do to access this is to come over, click on this slash icon, then type in the shortcut that you inputted when creating it. So let's see. Yes, so you can see it has brought out this quick reply, please make payment. So once I click on it, the custom message that I input will appear. So you can have more than one quick replies. So you can just customize it and send to your customers. So I'll go back to tools, and then, okay, still on managing your account. Another tool you can add is that you can add your WhatsApp to your Facebook and Instagram profile. So you can just click on the plus icon here and link your WhatsApp to your Facebook. Okay, and then from this profile icon here, you can see I've added my page. I've linked my Facebook page to my WhatsApp. So if you want this page to display on WhatsApp, you can just use this option here. Okay, okay, so let's go over to growing your business, and we have talked about creating the catalog already, you can see. And then we have the advertise, so you can, yes, you can promote your products that are on WhatsApp from this option here. So you can advertise, and then your ads is going to be channeled to WhatsApp. Okay, so just select a product, for example, and then click on next. So you can see this is how it's going to look like. You can add a description. So you can preview how the ad will look on Facebook. This is Instagram, this is Facebook. So this is cool. And then anyone that click on the ad, they can just message you via WhatsApp. So this is a great tool that is not on the normal WhatsApp. So to continue, you can log in your Facebook account. So just do all of this. It's very easy to do. So if you want to run your ads directly from your WhatsApp business, that is how you can do it. Okay. So however, if you want more features, you can use the Meta Ads Manager. It has more features you can explore. So, but this is beginner friendly. So we have the manage your ads, all your ads in one place. So when you click on continue, you'll be able to manage your ads on your WhatsApp business. Okay, so I believe that will be all for this class. My name is Isaac Matt. So just go ahead and customize your WhatsApp business like this and maximize your sales. Okay, this is not available for normal WhatsApp. So if you want to use this, just make sure you download the business WhatsApp and you log in. Okay, one thing about the business WhatsApp is that it can migrate your chat from your normal WhatsApp down to your business WhatsApp. So that will be all. I hope I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.